Oh my gosh, this is one of the top tier houses in Alpharetta.
Yeah, if you can dream this house, definitely this house could be yours.
KJ Luxury Homes, one of our top builders in Atlanta, especially in Alpharetta and Milton. These two cities is our top cities.
Definitely, and we have, I mean, not only this house, but we have a couple more around that neighborhood. Definitely.
For example, in Milton, we have 14 houses coming soon for this 2026. If you are looking to customize your house, this is a great opportunity. Just call us, let us know. Oh my goodness, this is another level. Look at this driveway. How many cars we can park it here?
No, like six.
Like six just outside, right? This has 3-car garage.
And look the doors. I mean, I really
the
do.
door is amazing, bro.
The combination between the white and black, and you know the mirrors. That's something else.
Oh my gosh! Are you ready to check it out to see inside? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys.
I think it's gonna be the studio, right?
That's right. This is a studio. This is an office room. This is a studio. That's perfect. I love this shirt. Look at this shirt.
Yeah, sure. You put your table over here.
Yes.
And then all the books or anything could go over here.
This is fantastic.
And you can enjoy it.
All right, George. You love to read. You love to spend time reading great books, great outdoors.
Yeah, this could be my favorite place. I mean, no doubt about it.
All right,
I think this is the dining room, yeah, where you have your family here, especially on New Year to celebrate, and you see this light. Wow!
Look at these windows, George. Look at this beauty from the floor to ceiling.
I mean, I like that color too. It's something different.
It is unique. How nice and beauty even these designs. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I love the style. I mean, especially over here because I mean, this how it has the bar.
This is the bar,
whatever you want to do here, or if you want to keep the wines. Yeah, we just get it and serve to anyone.
This is great. Look at this, guys. This is unique design in this house. With KJ Luxury Homes, we have more than 40, more than 40 houses, but no another house has this design, this wine space.
Yeah,
we have another on the market, but we don't have this wine space, this bar space. I like it. Look at this! Wow, waterfall countertop. Sure, this is insane. Look at this waterfall countertop. Is so big. 3 inches here.
Wow.
Huge space. I love to have this sink on the middle. You can use here to cooking to do something. And you have all this space. I like it. Look at this, guys. I love it. All these tops. Good combination even with a countertop, cabinets, floor. That means luxury. That means top tier finishes, top tier combination.
This house we have like a 3-car garage over here, and it's a lot of space, so that way you can park your car over here, and yeah.
I love it. Look at these windows, doors. These doors are amazing. From outside, you can see everything outside. Oh my goodness. Let's check it out. This space will be the dining area. Breakfast. This is the breakfast area. This area. Oh my goodness. I think this is the most biggest breakfast area that I ever seen. Look at this halls, the windows. Oh my
The
goodness.
chimney, see, what do you think about the chimney? And I really, think about this. The fan is some kind of different. Can you see it? Not like another one. Can you see it's like?
Right. No, it's unique. It looks so natural. Natural woods, natural. That is fancy. Good combination even with the beans. With the beans.
Are you ready to look this master? Because it's the master.
It is the
bedroom.
This is the real master. This is the real master bedroom. And welcome.
You're not gonna find anything like this in other places, just in Alpharetta with KJ and Los Duros team, right?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can find this kind of master suites with fireplace, this kind of design, this chandelier, how big is even with this kind of natural light. Has 4 windows. Look at this natural lights. I love the natural light. Oh my goodness. Look at this master closet, George. This master closet looks like a master bedroom. Look at how big it is. Unique. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like for women really like more closet, and you have it over here, so that way you can put your shoes and your 100 shoes over here.
Look at this detail. Here has private laundry room. It is amazing laundry, private laundry just for you, lady, just for you. We can do our best to see you happy. This
is the master bathroom, people.
All right, look at this beauty.
That's something else.
All right, let me turn track. Look at this. How do you love that? Let me do that track. All right, how beauty, how amazing this mirrors. I love it. Oh my goodness, look at this contour.
The thick is really. Look this is splash and the light over here. Wow.
Look at this detail. I love this backflash. Oh, look.
This is wow. I like it. I like it.
Light. Oh my gosh, how big. Obviously, this is my favorite part.
Yeah, the living room is, everyone loves this living room because it's so space.
Yes, sir. This is the real living room. What means living? Is the life. Living. You need
where you live.
You live. That's right. We live. You are live. Let me know. You are alive. We are alive. You are alive and ready to receive that 2026. Oh my gosh. Imagine you here in this living room in 2026. All right. 2026 becomes crazy, becomes inspiration, becomes elevate your lifestyle.
Definitely, if you are a man, if you want to make your family happy, this is the house that you need to have it for them.
Definitely. We deserve the best of the best. Look at this. Second living space.
Second living space. If you like to have if you like to have you like to read over here, you can do it too.
I like it. This space is private. The second living space here in the upstairs. Yes, sir. Wow, how beauty. What do you think about this room? This kind of room, signs of rooms?
Yeah, it's enough space. It's a bigger room. It's not only like another one when you feel like too close.
Each room has a private bathroom. Look at this bathroom. Has a private bathroom. I like this bathroom. Look at these finishes. Look, I love this combination, black and white. Look at this bath. Oh my goodness, I like this bath. So private, beauty, unique design. Each bath has a private touch. And this room has another laundry.
Yeah, definitely. I saw like 3 laundries over here.
Yes, sir.
In this house, two downstairs and 1 over here.
Yeah, look at this laundry, so big laundry room here. This is big. That's right. It is a big laundry room.
And see the floor. Can you see how particular the floor is?
Exactly.
So
It is
different.
Just special for laundries. All right, our last room. Look at this beauty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this closet is the biggest
ahead,
closet
guys.
of all the rooms. This closet is the biggest. If you has a kid, especially for daughters, I think this is the better option because here has extra space. Great closets for daughters. All right, my ladies and gentlemen, this is all for now. All this beauty, fantastic. If you love it, this house, below you find every details. You find our phone number, our email, our address. Not this address because this is private. This is not on the market. This is part of our private list, our private portfolio with KJ Luxury Homes.
Yeah, actually, we have a portfolio, guys. If you wanna own one of these houses, it's gonna be possible in this 2026, and we be ready to wait in your call. Just give us a call and let's start that process.
Thank you guys for all your love, for your passion. This 2025 was insane. Was amazing.
But 2026 is gonna be
really enjoying every single moment, every single day, with all my team, with you. This 2026, are you ready for this 2026? This 2026 will be the best year for all of us. Please prepare your energy, prepare your hands, prepare your legs, because you are running, but with unlimited spend, no limits. Our life don't have limits,
definitely not.
Our life,
the limit is our mind.
that's right. I hope you have a great 2026. I love you so much. God bless you, all of you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Happy New Year.